Welcome back to the show. So we've all heard it before. Dessert before dinner will spoil your appetite. But Kwani's at the Sugar Factory in Faneuil Hall, where they actually encourage it.
Sugar Factory. It's all in the name. You can get a sweet treat here, of course. So I'm here with the general manager, Andres, who is going to show me one of the special things on the menu, spaghetti.
Yes.
Ice cream.
Yes, a different one.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
a fun one. It's a really, really good one. It's a new addition that we have in the new menu that we have right now. And, you know, people love it.
Of course.
Yes, that's
So how does it work?
Perfect. So we just put it on your table. So you have M&Ms and you have a different sauces. It's completely warm.
It is very warm.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then what we do is just pour it a spaghetti on top.
Oh my gosh. It's basically lunch for you. Oh, that's amazing. And then you can
pour it.
What is this? Sugar?
That's a chocolate sauces.
Ah, let's see. I do a little design action here. Ah, I like this. And then what else do we have on the table?
You have M&Ms, a mix of M&Ms.
I just made a mess of that. All right, you have two other entrees here that you brought up.
Yeah, as a part of our brunch items, we have our trademark double stack rainbow pancakes, one of the favorites of the kids.
I don't think one person could eat that. I mean, probably could.
You never know. You never know. But yeah, it's super nice, super fantastic. People love it.
Yeah.
Of course, kids most of the time. But believe it or not, we have some adults too that dig in and finish it.
Of course.
Yeah.
And then it comes with a spread.
It comes
as well.
with butter, chocolate chips, strawberry gummies, and whipped cream.
Yeah.
So you can make your own nice mat if you want to call it that way.
Nice mat, a sweet mat.
It's all about fun,
Exactly.
That's Eddie and Sugar Factory for sure.
Right. Last but not least.
Yeah, that's a part of our new addition. It's glittered under the sea shake.
Wow.
And if you turn it around, you have some colors in the back of the bag as well.
Show you that.
That's also chocolate sauces. And it's really, really good one. It's one of the favorites right now.
Wow, that's delicious. Thank you so much for your time.
No, always, anytime.
Truly got my sugar fix today.